Hey, good morning, guys. It's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a nice little 3-bedroom, 3-bath plus casita home for a client. Looks pretty nice. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 1485 Avalon Avenue. It's on the north side of town. It's a nice little neighborhood. Avalon is kind of considered a little bit of a busy street, but this section of it is not very bad at all. I've been here for about 5-6 minutes and haven't seen one car. Got a wash right there. Let's go on in and check it out. It's got a nice little courtyard entry. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2001, 1,955 square feet. It sits on a big 11,326 square foot lot. Does have a attached casita that would be in bedroom number 4. Just can't call it a bedroom in the MLS. So it's super clean, wide open living and kitchen, split floor plan. Got a nice tile counter kitchen. It's got a little pantry. So you have your master and indoor laundry on one side of the house. So you got your master setup. Master has vaulted ceilings, pot shelves, slider out to the back door. Got a nice master with dual sink, solid surface counters, skylight, big old walk-in closet, a nice walk-in shower. So this walk-in closet has this mirrored pocket door, which is pretty cool. And it's a good size. Has a skylight. Very nice setup. Let's go check out the other side of the house. So you got the other 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. Got your guest bath, solid surface counters. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Just your standard setup. So you got bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Super clean. Let's go check out the casita and garage setup. So you got your indoor laundry, real big space on the man door to the garage. All right, guys, so we're out in the original 3-car garage. And so these have 2 different bays, a 23-foot bay and a 33-foot bay, it looks like, with 8-foot doors. You have all your water softener, water heater, irrigation home runs, RO home run. Okay, so this is a pretty unique setup. They had this addition put on, and basically it's a 1-car garage. And then there's a door into the casita from there. So you could set this up as a, you know, a rental even, or turn that part into an Airbnb even. They can come in and go right to their little unit. So here's the door to the casita. It's a pretty good size. It's got a mini split AC. It's actually really well done. Double doors out to the backyard. So there's a nice little bathroom attached to this casita. Solid surface counters. It's got a skylight, tall ceilings, real clean. So you got your double doors out to the patio. Really nice patio. Real private yard, plenty of room for a pool. A little peekaboo lake view in the backyard. And again, this backs or sides to a wash for privacy. Got tons of side parking all the way back to the back of the lot. Also, it looks like they've already done all the termite work on this property, so that's a good thing for the new owner. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Avalon. If you guys have any questions about it, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. I'll also put a link to the listing detail page so you can see all the original listing pictures, all the listing information, current price, and all that good stuff. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.